One tool now covers the ground that 5 separate apps used to fight over every day. Then there's Grammarly, quietly sitting in your browser, correcting every sentence before your boss gets a chance to judge you for it. Throw in Canva, the design tool that turned everyone into a graphic designer, whether they had any real talent or not. And finally, there's Otter, the transcription app that records your meetings and turns spoken chaos into something you can actually search through later. What's striking is that these 5 tools barely talk to each other, yet your whole workflow depends on all of them running at once. One AI tool has quietly learned to do every single job these apps were built to handle. Picture a Monday morning where you need a project brief, a polished graphic, a translated email, a data summary, and a scheduled post. Normally, that's 5 apps open, 5 logins, 5 different interfaces fighting for your attention and your patience. With this tool, you open one window, and the whole stack collapses into a single conversation thread. You type the brief, and it drafts clean, structured copy in about the time it takes to find your other app's template. Then you describe the graphic you need, and it generates a ready-to-use image without leaving that same window. The translated email comes next, and it doesn't just swap words, it matches the tone of the original message with surprising accuracy. You paste in your spreadsheet data, ask for a plain English summary, and it pulls out the actual insights instead of just restating the numbers. Then it schedules your social post, suggests the best caption, and even flags the optimal time to publish based on your audience. Every one of those tasks happened inside a single interface with no tab switching, no copy pasting, and no lost context between steps. The whole sequence takes minutes, not the scattered hour it used to cost you every single morning. Switching tools always sounds easier in theory than it actually turns out to be in practice. You've got muscle memory, saved files, team habits, and a login you've had since college. Those aren't small things. They're the invisible tax on every software migration you've ever attempted before. But the math here is genuinely hard to argue with once you actually sit down and run it. Most people are paying for 5 separate subscriptions that average somewhere between $8 and $15 each every single month. That's anywhere from $40 to $75 a month just to keep your digital life loosely stitched together across different platforms. One tool, one login, one learning curve. And most users report getting comfortable within a single working week. The time savings alone tend to clock in around 4 to 6 hours recovered every month from eliminated context switching. That's time you were already spending, just invisibly, bleeding out across tab switches and duplicate data entry. The switch costs you one uncomfortable